Hello and welcome everyone. Before getting started with today's video on the Hummer H3, it's time for my daily giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 2 black plastic dip cans and also some acetone cleaner. This is some great stuff to get you started. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll be deciding the winners for this giveaway and all the other giveaways on December 31st, 2018. So please stay tuned, and now let's get started with this video. Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to upgrade your interior lighting on your Hummer H3. I'm going to be upgrading all the lights to LED, and everything that I use will be listed down below in my description box. So if you also want to upgrade your Hummer, please check out the links down below. And now let's get started with the upgrade. So please follow along. All you're going to need is some hands and also a thin straight screwdriver. And here are the final results. I gotta say, this is one of the best upgrades you could do to your Hummer H3, hands down. It's really changed up the interior feeling, and it just looks 100 times better. The lighting is a lot better. Everything just looks great. Again, if you guys want to upgrade your lights, check out the links down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my Hummer H3 Alpha. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up and a share. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow with a daily giveaway and a new video. Thank you.